times today have you heard the phrase,
Mom, I'm hungry!
Yep. 5 times, 10 times, 100 times? It happens a lot in my house. I can relate. I feel your struggle. I'm a stay-at-home, work-at-home mom. So when I'm working and my son's at home, I hear that phrase a lot. So I decided I should try to do something about this and make it just a little bit easier. So my solution to the problem? I created a snack station just for him. So he can grab and go snacks that I feel okay with him eating. It's not mixed in with all the other foods in our pantry and around the house. It's just his little station. It helps him build independence, and I'm hearing the "Mom, I'm hungry" a lot less. So I'll show you a few ideas and you can see if maybe they can help your family as well. So here are my easy ideas for building a snack station in your home. My first idea is a mobile cart. Now, I use these mobile carts for so many things in my house, and a snack station is a perfect thing to use it for. I stock it with non-perishable snacks like fruit, juice drinks, pretzels, popcorn, applesauce. My son can easily grab and go a snack. I also put in some plastic spoons so that he doesn't have to dirty up any dishes. If you have a few children, you could use each shelf of a mobile cart like this for each kid and fill it up as needed. That way they have their own space. There's no fighting over which snacks are mine or yours. It's right there. You can even label each shelf for each child. Another idea and a space saver for a snack station is to simply use a drawer or a cabinet and use that for just your kids' snacks. You could have a drawer for each child. You could have a cabinet shelf for each child. Whatever works best for you, but this is a great space saver idea. And my last idea is to simply carve out a space in your food pantry, if you have one in your kitchen, for just your kid. It could be just in a basket, but it's known that that's their grab and go snack station, and you can just fill it up as soon as you need to. I know this is a very simple idea, and I don't know why I didn't do this sooner, but it has made such a difference, and him feeling more independent and not having to ask me to search through our pantry full of all the things mixed together. And so he could do that on his own, and then I don't hear the phrase, "Mom, I'm hungry" every 5 minutes.